Yes, welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like button, share this video, drop your comment, and please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button rather. On this channel, you're going to be having a lot of online marketing tips, phone tags and making money online, different kind of things, tasks you can do on your phone. So please ensure you subscribe in order to get a lot of beneficial high quality videos. Okay, so on this video we're going to be talking about how to create YouTube shorts. Okay, so in how to create YouTube shorts in any country, I mean any country you are, either you have that YouTube short available or not. Okay, so by this video, with the help of this video, you can create YouTube shorts in any country you are. So the first thing you need to do is how do you create that YouTube short? You need to go to your home app, open your camera stuff. When you open the camera, you are going to video yourself or do any kind of video you want to do. But when you want to do this video, ensure that I've not started the camera, I'm just talking right now. When you want to do this video right now, ensure that you do it in a way that um you make it in a way whereby you don't use more than 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. Are you get what I'm saying? That means you don't use more than 60 seconds. So let's say we want to do a short video right now. This is short video. Okay, so I'm going to hit the play button. Stop button. So as I this is the video. As I'm speaking right now, you can see the timer up here reading. So hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Ayotolani. Welcome to Online Marketing and Hustle. So let's say that is the video. Okay, let's go back to the next thing you need to do is open your YouTube app. Okay, now on this channel that I'm speaking right now, you just click on this place. Now right now I have that create short stuff on my own YouTube app right now. Okay, despite the fact that I'm from Nigeria, but we are going to speak about that in the next video. Okay, so I'm making this video for those who do not have this stuff on their phone. So once you make that video, the first step, make the video that is not up to or more than 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. Okay, so once you make that kind of a video, click on upload video. When you click on upload video, choose that video. This is that video. This video is just 26 seconds, so, right? As I'm speaking right now, you can see the timer. Then the next thing is hit the next button. Okay, once you hit the next button, then you will be told you are uploading this video as if you are uploading normal video on your YouTube channel. Okay, so you upload it as if you are uploading a normal video on your YouTube channel. Let's say the way you make all those 10-minute video. Once you just make that 60 seconds or 26 seconds or a video not more than 60 seconds, you just upload it on YouTube as a normal video. Let me just say a YouTube, I just want to say YouTube short video. Okay, short video to test. Let me just say short video test, then public, select audience. You don't need to select audience, just leave it like that. Okay, so once you do that, hit upload. Once I hit upload, then YouTube is uploading my video. Okay, so YouTube is uploading my video. Let's click on see video, the upload progress. Okay, so this is it uploading right now. So once it's done, we are going to see, I'm going to show us something right now. So the video is uploaded. Let us see YouTube right now. Let us see the video. So as I'm speaking right now, you can see the timer up here. Okay, reading. You can see the video right now. Okay, that is the video. Now how do we know that this video is actually going to show on short news feed? Let's go back. Let's go to my profile, like this, the YouTube. Let's go to your channel. Once you go to your channel, you can see this place. That is it. You see short better. This is the video I just uploaded right now. So either you have that short stuff here or not. If you are in any country, just create a video on your phone camera with just 60 seconds, not more than 60 seconds, 26 seconds, any kind of seconds, and go to YouTube, upload it like a normal video, and you are going to see it here as a short. So those who have this YouTube app on their phone, do you understand now? Then when YouTube recommends your video, it's going to show on the short feed. So this is actually how it's going to show to people. Okay, so as I'm speaking right now, so as you have analytics here, it is subscribe button that will be there as they are viewing it. This side, it is subscribe button. So this is the analytics, okay, for you to see how it's doing. So that is actually how to upload short videos on YouTube in any country, okay, either it's available or not. So ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the like button. If you have not watched the video on making money WhatsApp, go back to the channel, search the videos on this channel. You just click on videos and you check a lot of videos we've made, how to get 1 million followers on Facebook, and how to create Google ads on phone, how to advertise for free on Facebook, how to create a free e-commerce website on WhatsApp. So everything is all available for you there. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Ayotolani Oladapo. See you on the next video. Bye bye.